Hi, I'm Michael, and we're going to open some
more Cookie Run
our third day or third time opening this box of Cookie Run Operational
We're gonna
Time Guard.
open 6 packs again.
We are in our first opening. We open
The super
10 packs.
Oh,
Second opening, we open
6
6 packs.
packs.
And
another
today,
is another 6 packs.
alright. So yan, naka 16 packs na tayo out of 30. At marami na tayo nakuhang magandang pulls.
Like the super.
SSR and 2 UR. Ultra rare.
And
This is the ano? Tawag dito? Promo card.
Logan,
And
there are 6 cards.
this is the promo card. Siyempre, gagamitin natin
We're
yun.
not gonna show it, sorry.
So, meron pa tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, 14. Pwede pang dalaw, 7, 7. Or 6, 6. Tapos, 2-pack battle tayo. The last, ano natin.
Choose 6.
O, sige. O, choose your 3. Okay.
Done.
O naman, ang aking bubuksan ay tatlo rin. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is my 3. Fight natin yung iba. And Andre's 3 is over at his hands. So, this is my 3. Huwag mo lapit. Hindi mo kailangan lapit eh. Hindi mo kailangan ilapit.
Okay.
This is my 3.
This is my
Okay.
3.
Pahinyo ko ng aking gunting para may matago tayong pack na maganda.
Are you sure you want to?
Okay, sino una? Bahala ka sa'yo.
Me.
O, sige,
I want to open it manually.
pakita mo dito.
It's kinda hard. Could I just
Okay,
do it
nakaano
like
na ako
this?
na.
Could I just do it like this?
Dito mo kasi
It's
hindi mo
hard.
makikita. O, pakita mo na ng ganyan, no, para sa taas.
There. Yes. Yes.
Ako, kanina pa bukas sa akin. Andre muna una eh.
Ooh!
O, pakita mo.
Chess
Op, op,
cookie.
op, op.
Huh?
Yan.
This is new. It's chess choco
Chess,
cookie.
wala, bago yan, bago.
Nice.
So,
Not a street cookie. Looks new. Diving for the herbs. Carrot cookie. And
ano tayo nito?
time and scissor.
Op,
And there's
op, op.
another one. And hey!
Hey!
Cheesecake cookie.
At dahil dyan, kailangan natin ng ating
I'm winning.
sleeves.
I'm winning. Cheesecake's kinda yummy. Nice.
This is rare. So,
Not-
nakailang rare na tayo? Parang dami natin rare. Okay naman, ako naman, may pack. First pack ko.
Butter bear cookie.
Butter bear cookie. Skating queen cookie. Bago to. Uy, bago na to. Ay, hindi. Banana ko, meron tayo. And, ay, hindi pa pala. Croissant cookie. And last but not the least is, yeah! Oh, Dino greeting.
Look like I'm winning now. I'm
Ay,
winning.
ikaw. Ako, magugunting ulit ako.
I told you need to open it manually if you want to get a hit.
Yan, para matago natin to, makita natin yung pack. Pag nagbubukas tayo ng binder natin.
I will show you this. That if I open it manually, everything will get a hit. And if this have no hits, I will give you 50 pesos. Okay?
Our cookie run binder.
Gumball. If I don't get a hit here, I'm gonna pay you 50. Because I'm very sure that if I open it manually, I get rare.
Okay. Ayusin mo naman yung lagay para hindi
Where do
na...
I put yellow?
Lagyan naman na yellow dyan.
Bago? A strawberry cookie.
Kinalat mo naman eh.
Time lapture cookie. And hey! rare. Look, I want giving you a 50 pesos. Only in one pack. The third pack I won't say it. I won't give you 50 pesos.
Another rare.
Looks like I'm winning.
Andre, second rare.
I won't give you 50 if this doesn't have hits.
Ako naman. Second pack ko.
You keep losing to me.
Okay. Pepper nut cookie. Mustard cookie.
Mustard.
Cherry ball cookie. Almond cookie and... Oh.
I told you should open it manually.
Okay.
You never listen.
Anyway.
Open it manually to get more hits.
Ako guguntuin ko pa rin.
Why? Don't you want to get a hit? If this also have no hit, I'll give you 100
No hit.
pesos.
No hit ha.
Yeah. If
No
I
hit.
hit, you give me 100 pesos.
No hit. No hit ha. 100. Okay.
Because you need to
Okay,
open
sige
it
na. Oh
manually.
yeah, open it na. Open it.
Cherry blossom cookie. Wait, where do you put red? Oh. TBD delivery cookie. Wheat cookie.
Parang bago yan. Uy, dragon.
Last one. Eh! Rare. I told you! Open it manually! You never listen! You should open it manually.
So,
Oh,
lahat. Tabi-tabi mo na.
This
Tabi
looks
mo na.
this looks pretty cool.
Saan mo?
I told you you should
Andre's
open.
third hit.
I told you you should open
Okay,
it
last pack.
manually.
Last pack, Matt. What?
I want to get it.
Huwag mo na.
please.
Ano nga eh.
I told you you should open it manually.
Okay lang.
Or no hits.
Okay lang rin. Kasi kailangan ko may magandang pack para sa binder.
Salt cookie.
Salt cookie. Uy,
Dr. Wasabi.
Dr. Wasabi cookie.
Lenggang guli. Langgodi chat
Langue de chat cookie.
cookie. Lenggang guli guli guli.
After that, gingerbread and... Oh.
I told you.
Okay.
You need
so,
to open it manually.
out of 6 packs, 3 hits.
Because you...
So,
Because-
ilan na tayo? Sa ilan na tayong hits? Sa nabuksan natin.
Wait, gano'n. Wait, this string gummy cookie looks like a super
Then
rare.
may video naman tayo. Maano natin doon sa video. Anyway, that's it for tonight.
Bubuksan ba or
Ay, nakalimutan natin. 1, 2, 3.
Buhay.
Bubuksan, 1, 2, 3. Bubuksan ba o itatago panghabang buhay?
And of course, we open it.
So, yun sa kanya, buksan, yung akin dapat tinago ko na ng panghabang buhay. Pero,
Because-
at least meron akong madadagdag sa binder na ganyan para malaman ko kung anong set siya.
How about this?
Tapon na yan, wala na yan. Anyway, this is our hits.
You mean my hits?
Dark fondue cookie, cheesecake cookie, and string gummy cookie.
It looks like a super rare.
Mukha lang. Anyway, I'm Michael,
And
and we just opened some
cookie run and got 3 hits.
Operation Time Guard Cookie Run Brave Verse. Yan. Bye!